everyone. Welcome to Miss Lena's Kitchen. I hope you are having a blessed day. I am blessed, and I hope everyone else is blessed. And first, I want to come in, and I thank all of you for coming to the channel all the time, and the ones that are here coming, and the ones that are watching, the regular supporters, the new ones are coming in, and the ones that's not here behind the con. And right now, this is just a video. And I'm going to be only today. Let me read my scripture first. I'm going to. Okay, I'm taking it today from Psalm 91. He shall call up on me, and I will answer him. I will be with him in trouble. I will deliver him and honor him. He shall call up on me. I will answer him. I will be with him in trouble. I will deliver him and honor him. Psalm 91 and 15. And I hope you all will enjoy the reading of this verse that I had for today. And I know it will do someone some good down the line. If not today, tomorrow, next week, or whenever you look at the video. And so I want to tell you all, y'all are such welcome to my family. If you're not here, I would love for you to just subscribe, hype, and comment, and like, please, whenever you come on my channel. And I thank you so much. And I thank all of those that have been around for a long time. And I thank you all that have not kept just coming in also. And the ones that will be new in the future. Thank you so much for your support. I love you all so much. All right. I have some chicken thighs. Let me see what I do in my gloves. I have some chicken thighs that they've already been seasoned with all of my regular seasoning, y'all.
Got Chesapeake Bay and little cayenne on them, and paprika, and garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and complete.
Okay. So now you all know, everybody that's been listening to me for a while, y'all know the same kinds of seasoning that I use on everything that I have here. So, all right, these are chicken thighs. So yeah, like I said, they've already been seasoning. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some of the my little vegetables in to get them started. This will season the little grease that I have in here. Anyway, I didn't really have to do that. Alright, so let me put just a little bit of more oil in here. It's not quite enough. Okay. Just want to cut a little bit, and I don't want to put that much to start with. Okay, I'm getting ready to put the chicken in. Grease is already hot, so.
And y'all, this is a one-pot meal that she's making today. Okay, y'all, she putting, that's about 5 potatoes and about half a bag, maybe half a bag, small bag of baby carrots.
This is complete.
That's onion powder. Garlic powder.
And then Chesapeake Bay.
Yeah, she put Italian seasoning in there now.
This is Chesapeake Bay.
So yeah, she put half a bottle of water in there, half. Okay, y'all, it's halfway cooked now. Okay, now she added spaghetti, y'all. 1 pot meal, everybody. Broccoli on top, y'all. She has chicken thighs. She has bell peppers, onion, fresh garlic. What else in there? Carrots. Okay, y'all. She added some broccoli to her 1 meal deal. A big chunk of broccoli, that is.
That was a little white pepper I put in there, you guys. I think everything's about ready now, you guys, so. Y'all, this is a quick meal.
That was a quick meal, y'all.
I hadn't had anything to eat, so I had to get up and try to make me a quick meal. Hello there, you guys. Oh, I am ready. I'm back with this 1 pot meal. And honey, it's delicious. And I don't mean maybe. And this is really good. Although it's a hot day today, and I couldn't think of anything to do but just do one meal. But I didn't really want any more fried food. So I decided to put this meal together. And I'm going to taste it in a little bit. And I will show it to you. But I hope y'all will take the video and watch it, because this is very easy to do. And if you got any leftover meats or whatever, just make your one-pot meal leftover with your vegetables and stuff. And make you something, because I just call it just a one-pot meal. Simple, quick, and easy. And it's delicious on top of that. Thank you so much. Please try it, and you'll enjoy it. And let me get a little taste for you. So, I'm going to enjoy it. Okay. I'm going to take just a little bite for you. I don't eat a whole lot in front of the camera because I'm having dental work done. And it's taking me a long time to be chewing it. So I have to take my time. So I'm just taking just a very little bite. Oh my God. Y'all just don't know. Please try it, because you will love it. It is delicious. And I thank you so much for watching this video. One in a hot summer day. It's 189 degrees here. So please enjoy it. I love you all so much. And it's very, very good. Love it. You'll love it. You'll love it. Yes, you will. Now, I'm going to say goodbye to you with all my love from Miss Lena's Kitchen. Goodbye now. Bye-bye.